Hey, what's up, guys? You know it's your boy Pastor Medic, back again with another video. Well, I just decided to hop right under this one. So my brother needed a haircut, and he was like, "Oh, let's try something new. Do you think you could do a mohawk or something like that for me?" So I'm like, okay, that sounds unique. I'll just make an attempt at it. So I just start off by putting on the very first guideline. I start by doing that. So I put in that guideline and I just balled out the bottom of it, which you see me doing right now. Yeah, I know this is a mohawk. I had to take up the guideline a little higher because for a second I'm pretty sure you thought I was doing a drop fade. So right now I'm going up about an inch with the lever open with my wad clippers. I'm about to just do this side and show you the other side later. So now I'm just going up about an inch following that guideline with the lever open all the way. Now with the lever open, I'm about to go up about another inch with the number one comb on it though, which will help me blend and create a transition with this mohawk. That's really the third step basically, and like getting a nice blend and transition with it. So we're going up about another inch with the number one comb with the lever open. After going up about an inch with the number one comb, I kind of got a line up there and I kind of need to take down some bulk from the top. So with the lever open, I'm just trying to flick that line out a little bit and take off some bulk with the number 2 guard comb. I'm going to say it again with the number 2 guard comb. So I'm taking off bulk or excess air that I don't need. I'm breaking that down. I'm also taking out that line that I put in with that number 1 guard comb with the lever open all the way. Now with my 0 guard comb, I'm just flicking it out that middle line and creating a better transition with this mohawk. And at this point, I just want you to get down to the comment section and like tell me how this cut is coming along. Like, give me a thumbs up right now. Just like this video. Just leave a comment and like this video at this very point. Now with the number 1 comb with the lever closed, similar to the 0 guard comb, I'm flicking it out that line above the middle line. I'm not really taking it out. I'm just softening it, make it lighter, trying to create a more transition in the cut, more of a blend type look, if you know what I'm talking about. If you're a barber looking at this right now. So I'm flicking it out, trying to create a more transition in it, make it, like, break it down from looking all dark to, like, transparent, looking light kind of transition. Just blend it in with the cut. It's time to clean up this haircut, like fully blend it in, like from bald to transition to fade to mohawk. To really clean it up, I need to flick out that very first guideline I put in. Make sure you don't put in a very harsh guideline by using a T-out line on one of those. Those are really like hard to flick out. To make sure you put in a nice soft guideline that you could just flick out with your clipper, with the lever closed all the way in the flick out motion. That really just put that 100 on your cut. At this point, I know you tired of hearing me talk and just talk and talk. I'm not trying to bore you with this video. That's why I'm just about to show you this side and the way I will shape up this cut. And you see the dude is actually like falling asleep right there too, Just keep talking. So I'm just show you this side of the cut. Then we're gonna jump to the shape up process. And then I'm about to let you rate how I did with this cut in the end. So don't leave yet, just stick with me and stay tuned. See right there, I'm just doing a little bit of like extra work to blend this cut, you know what I'm saying? You could never go wrong with doing a little extra work. Just don't do too much. So I've always been asked questions like why I always spray airspray on when I do a shape up. The reason why I do that right there is because it basically like puts more old to the hair, like it's not dry. They all in one place and they get it kind of like not really necessarily hard, but kind of stiff, and it makes them easier to cut and like put in a shape. That's why I do the shape up. And I don't know if you could really see the cut right now like fully, but let your boy know how this cut coming along. Don't be afraid to comment. Just hit that like button. Just hit that like button. Also follow me on Instagram real quick. Just follow your boy. Just follow me. That's my name right there, Pastor Matter. So right now I'm done with the cut, fully shaped them up and everything. Just tell me how I did with the cut. I mean, he loves it. For a mohawk, that's the first ever mohawk he have ever gotten. Just tell me how I did with this cut. If you want to see more videos like this, click on this video right here. Yeah, that one. And even if you want to learn how to grow your hair, buddy, I got you.